All right, now that we've got all the teeth polished and everything's clean, good, Sarah's just doing a final sweep and rinse with chlorhexidine rinse and some gauze just to make sure there's not any loose tartar or anything that could be aspirated during recovery. And so after she's done with that, we'll go ahead and turn him off of the isoflurane, the gas, and wait for him to wake up. He did great. We did have to change the cuff size a little bit on our blood pressure. We messed with fluids, but I did not have to give any blood pressure medication. He did great with just kind of tweaking, and that's the benefit of monitoring. I mean, if we didn't monitor, we would have seen that fall. We'd had no way of knowing what to do. But just the simple monitoring of the blood pressure allowed us to give a better care, and he's going to recover much quicker because his blood pressure maintained throughout that. So, yeah.
Off anesthesia.
He's off anesthesia, it's turned off, and we're just going to wait for him to start kind of swallowing. We'll give oxygen until he's kind of becomes more responsive, and then we'll wean him slowly off the oxygen, and then we'll disconnect him from the oxygen completely after a few minutes once he starts to kind of rouse. And then we don't extubate, we don't pull that tube until they're able to swallow. And so they'll kind of start swallowing and gagging a little bit, and we'll pull that that tube out, and then we'll monitor them for a couple minutes after that, and then we'll move them to a recovery cage where they're monitored in treatment rest of the morning. And yeah, Sarah's doing a great job. This is her dog. She was overly concerned, but we always trim their nails when they're under. It's just a good time that we can get them as short as we possibly can without causing any anxiety or pain to the dog. And if it gets a little too short, we do this complimentary. Just in all of our surgeries, we do nail trims complimentary. But just it's easy. It's an easy time for us to do it, and it's good for the dogs. So it's good. Yeah, but that's essentially a dental procedure from start to finish. We'll do a little bit, probably a little bit more video when he recovers, and just to show him happy and awake in a cage. But overall, he did fantastic.